The customer has taken charge and will no longer stand for having products and services shoved down their throats. Information access has put the customer in the driver's seat, never to be push marketed to again. In the column and podcast that follows, you'll understand why you must convince skeptical customers and gain their trust so that they want to do business with you. Because technology blocks accessibility, learn how to get customers to call and contact you and empower them by giving them a say in marketing rather than making them play a passive role. At the end of the written column and blog attached, you'll find a few thought-provoking questions you may want to review with your team, strategic partners, suppliers, your coach, or mentor. Joseph Jaffe, author of Life After the 30-Second Spot, assures us that people still want marketing, but in a completely different way. Your internet marketing must emphasize meeting their needs and tell them why your product or service is their best solution while enticing them to come back. Effective internet marketing demands knowing who your targeted customers are, exactly what they want, and the ultimate is finding creative ways to immerse your product or service into an interactive and fun game design. Carefully study and consider your target customers' values, hobbies, demographics, interests, passions, and goals, and then integrate them into that game design. This column will help you figure out what useful digital information you can provide a customer or prospect with that puts them on the right path to solving their problem and prompts them to ask you to provide more. Now, that's engagement.